guys, so welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really good day. Today we're going to be trying out some new drugstore makeup from Kokie. This brand is basically a Rite Aid brand kind of a thing. Like, I don't know if it's located anywhere else, but it's located at Rite Aid. So it is an inexpensive brand. So we're going to try some stuff from there. I have a new palette from them and some bronzer, highlighter, and like a liquid eyeshadow. So we're going to try all that today. We're basically going to focus on the eyes and the face today. I hope you guys are doing well with your quarantine. It's getting crazy out there in the world, and like, I thought this was only gonna last for like 2 weeks, and it's probably going to be for like a couple months, which is insane. I'm excited to try Kokie products because I really haven't like tried a lot of their stuff. There's some stuff that I have tried that I really like, so excited to try it out and see how we do. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and let's jump right into the video. I already did my brows and I primed my lids, but we're gonna try the Kokie Professional Arabian Nights eyeshadow palette. It is super cute. Like, their logo is elephants, so very cute. And this is like a warm tone palette, but you do get some colors in there. I think it's really pretty, and I think we can do like a really nice neutral look, which I honestly have not been doing lately. And I think I'm gonna dive into the shade Wish, which is this one right here. Okay, so now that we have that shade on, I'm gonna jump into the shade Passion, which is this one right here. I feel like this like whole section of like the neutrals are very similar, but they're like just a couple shades darker, which honestly I don't mind. I do tend to like that, like where you have a bunch of varying degrees of the same color. So I'm just gonna build this up. I'm just keeping it right on the outer corner and gradually building it into the inner corner. I'm gonna grab the shade called Royalty, which is like this cranberry shade. I kind of just want to play with the colors a little bit. It's probably the only color that I could use that's appropriate with this look. And then I'm going to blend all of that out with just a brush that doesn't have anything on it. So I did get a liquid shadow, and this is the Kokie liquid shadow in Crystal Fusion. Really pretty packaging, pretty, you know, normal for liquid eyeshadows. And then the color is very different. I don't have any liquid eyeshadows like this color, that's why I got it. But I don't know if it's gonna go with this look, but we're gonna try it. That is what that looks like. I think what I'm gonna do is lay down like a shimmer and then put that on top of it, because it doesn't look like super opaque. So I'm going to take the shade Sand, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna take that on a Wet n Wild brush, and I'm going to wet it. I'm just gonna very carefully create a cut crease line with this. So basically what we are doing is the same thing you would do with concealer. We're doing it with a shimmer. And this is kind of my favorite way to use liquid eyeshadows, because they have something to go on. And it also, like, this is nice, but it doesn't look like it has that much of a pop. So now I'm going to take the liquid eyeshadow and I'm going to grab another Wet n Wild brush. I don't really like to go straight on with the applicator just because I always end up making a mess. So I'm trying to be good and use a brush, and I'm just going to like place that. Yeah, it makes it inside like the lines, color inside the lines. Just like that. I mean, that looks really pretty. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. This definitely is not as opaque as I personally would like it. It's a little streaky. So I'm gonna wait for that to dry, and then I'm going to mix the shade Wish with the shade Rebel, which is like these two shades, and I'm gonna pop that on the outer corner. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on some liner. I'm gonna put on some lashes, and I'm gonna start my face makeup, but I'm going to come back once I have powdered, and we're gonna try the bronzer, and I do have a highlighter I wanna try. So I will be right back, hang tight, and you will see me in a sec. Okay guys, so I am back, and I have foundation on, I powdered. I did do a little bit of cream contour with the AOA Studio Buildable Satin Foundation. I just have it in the shade Cappuccino, and I just added that a little bit on contouring areas. So I really want to try this bronzer. So this is the Kokie Matte Bronzer, and it is in the shade Stay Golden. The packaging is super, super cute, and you get a very big pan, and then you have a little elephant in the middle, which is super cute, and you also have a mirror, which I love. So we're gonna try it out today. I really like the color of this. It's like a really nice neutral shade. So I'm gonna grab my R7 brush, get my hair out of the way, and we're just gonna dunk in here a little bit. I don't know how pigmented this is, but I'm just gonna kind of, definitely pigmented. And I'm gonna grab another brush and do a little bit on my forehead. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of powder. I'm using the Haley's Beauty powder. And I'm gonna grab a little bit of this and just cut this bottom portion out. I like that bronzer. I like the color. I don't think it's like a bronzer to use when you cream contour. I think I went a little bit of ham, but honestly it looks really, really nice. I like the tone of it. I'm gonna jump back into the Arabian Nights palette, and then I'm going to take the shade Wish, which is this one right here. It's like the transition shade we used. And I'm gonna mix a little bit into the shade Royalty, which is the cranberry shade we used. I'm just gonna go back and forth, back and forth. I'm gonna grab some mascara. I'm gonna use my Cream Shop Monchetti Rose All Day Blush. I really have been liking this. It's really, really nice shade. Just gonna pop that out on the cheeks. So I put some lipstick on, I spray my face, and now we're gonna use the last product that I got from Kokie. This is the Soft Glow Highlighter in Gleaming. It is really, really pretty packaging. That is what that looks like. Doesn't look like much on my hand, so I'm a little bit worried and see how this is. But it is kind of like one of those like soft touch kind of a thing. We'll see how that goes. So I'm going to grab this Milani brush, and I'm just gonna dig in here. That is super, super pretty. I don't really like this kind of formula where it's like soft. Like right there, you can see it's like almost like ColourPop, kind of like their highlighters, but it's really, really pretty. I think it's nice. I'm just not a fan of them because I feel like it's a little bit difficult to use with a brush because you have to keep going back and forth, back and forth. But honestly, it's really pretty. I like the color. And I'm just gonna use this really quick to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. So yeah, not my favorite highlighter, but it's honestly not too bad. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely recommend the palette. It's super nice. If you like this color story, then I think you will enjoy it. The bronzer is probably my favorite, but just because it was really nice, went on really easily, pigmented. I like the way it looks. It's a really nice color. The liquid eyeshadow was okay. Not my favorite from the drugstore as far as liquid eyeshadows go. I definitely would prefer something from like CoverGirl or Revlon or something like that. Like this one definitely is not my favorite as far as the drugstore goes. And the highlighter too, I mean, I just wouldn't recommend running out and getting this, but it's definitely very pretty. If you're looking for like that kind of a soft touch or like putty like highlighter, then I guess then you would like that. And I also like the color. I think it looks really nice. Overall, I think the eyes look great. Everything looks really good. If you tried any of these products from Kokie, let me know down below. And if there's any makeup or any tutorials you want to see on my channel, definitely leave that down below. But I hope you guys are staying safe and indoors. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.